Hi class, I'm Kay Nell. I'll be your instructor this semester for U.S. History Part 1, HY 120QL. I just want to take a few minutes, introduce the class, give you some tips and suggestions on how to be a successful student in this course. And when we finish with this brief video, I want students to go to syllabus right here. And I will do an introductory video for the syllabus and go over that with you. Class, when you log into this home page, you'll see some links and you'll see some information here. Take a few minutes to read through this and familiarize yourself with the course. I'd also like to point out that there is a static column for UAB on the far left. Use the account to pull in a picture of yourself and to set up how you'd like to receive notifications from Canvas if you haven't already done so. Let me point out too, calendar. Canvas calendar is very helpful for students. You can go in and look at all of the classes that you have at UAB, and a lot of your assignments, due dates will be on this. Inbox. Students, please let me encourage all of you to communicate with me via Canvas inbox. You'll select that inbox. You'll have a little icon with a pencil in it. You can start a message to me. I'd prefer you not email me outside of Canvas. This, keeps all of the communication between us in our class in Canvas. So please use Canvas inbox. The next column that you'll see are links common to my class. I will regularly make use of announcements. They'll come out to you in your email, and then you can come back in and read them anytime in the course. Again, when we finish up with this brief video, we're going to syllabus and go over the syllabus. Modules is where you'll find all of the work for your class. After we finish going over the syllabus, we're going to go to modules, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of what you can expect to find there. Grades, this is where you'll keep up with your points. Everybody's going to make an A today, right? People, this is where you can find your classmates. I will be glad to communicate with you via Canvas inbox, or you can set up a conference, a chat, a Zoom with me, whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever level of help that you feel like you need that I can give you. So let's communicate and we'll set up whatever we need to do so. Lockdown browser, exams are given in this class through Lockdown browser and webcam. You will need a webcam for the course. And I've provided information about Lockdown browser in the syllabus and in the modules under the midterm exam module, and before the midterm exam I'll also send out an announcement and we'll go over it again. So don't worry if you've never used Lockdown browser. A few other links here that you might find helpful to the library and to Office 365 if you need a new version of Microsoft Word and such. So class, I am just a message away. I'm here to help. I hope if you have a question, you can find the information in my class, in my syllabus, or under modules. Try to find the answer for yourself if you can. If you can't find the answer to your question, please do not hesitate to communicate with me. I hope this is a positive online learning experience for you, and I'm looking forward to the semester. As always, keep in touch.